Sometimes you find bikes in the weirdest spots. This one was definitely tucked away. It's a 1990 ZX7. The worst part about this is there was a garage 10 steps away from where it was sitting. Coming to look at this ZX7, it's back in the jungle. It's been here a while. How many miles are on it? Got 60,000 miles on it. See if I can move some stuff around and get it out of here. This is right after we got it out of there. I snapped a couple pictures. It took us a little while to get it out of there. It wasn't the easiest thing to do, and I definitely needed help getting it out of there. There is no way I would have got it out of there by myself, but we managed to get it out of there and got it loaded up, and then we're gonna take a look at it after I get it down. When I was packing up everything to go get it, you know, the ramp and the straps, I thought I should probably take a shovel since it was dug down in there. I'm so glad I grabbed that, and I also grabbed a little bicycle pump so we could pump up the tires. I am so glad I grabbed both of those because we needed them both. It made it so much easier to grab this bike. Got the 90 ZX7 out of its resting spot. I probably should have filmed that. It took two of us to get it out of there. It was kind of dug down into the ground a little bit. We had to remove some, they weren't palm trees, but they were some kind of palms. Need to look it over, decide what we're gonna do with it. Has a lot of good parts on it still. It wasn't being cannibalized. I know the first thing I would do is this overflow bottle. I'd get rid of that and throw that away. Put a nice aluminum racing one on it. Right now, anybody into these bikes is freaking out that I just said that, because those are really hard to find. And I don't know if you can see, this one has water in it, so it's holding water, so that's nice. Got a Vance & Hines exhaust on it. It's crusty, but that'll clean up. That can be restored. This plastic's savable. The front's toast. Fender's good. This side plastic here is really good with all the tabs on it. That one's not bad at all. That rear's gone. Wheels are good. No damage on the swing arm or the frame. I talked to a guy that would probably restore it. I'm not sure what I would do with it. It's gonna take a lot. He seemed to know these bikes really well. I would hate to see the bike get just tore down and turned into parts. And sometimes you have to do that. But yeah, a lot of the parts are here. These gold handlebars. Didn't come with a key. Tank's in pretty good condition. It's got some dents on it. You're gonna get that. It's got the Ride Naked sticker on it, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's what the 35-year-old sport bike looks like. They're just getting hard to find. Like I said, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I might pass it on to someone that can actually make something out of it. If it was a 91 or a 92, I'd definitely be keeping it. Or a CBR 900. I've had a couple of these, but I've never had a nice one. All the ones I find are in this condition. And I've never found an 89. Every time I get one, it's a 90. It's definitely seen some life. I'm glad it's out of that hidey hole it was in, just sitting out in the jungle. What do you guys think I should do with it? Let me know. Just want to show what the bike is supposed to look like. Back in 1990 in the US, you had your choice of this green or this black here. There really wasn't much choices back then for 750s. You either got the Ninja or you bought a GSXR. This is the GSXR here. They also came in a couple different colors. The blue and white's probably their most famous. But those are the ones that anybody could buy. Otherwise, the Yamaha had the OW01, which was really rare, and the average person couldn't get it. And Honda had the RC30, which is in the exact same boat. They were just built for racers, basically. So out of these bikes, which one would have you got back then? Would you go with the green ZX7, or would you go with the GSXR? Let me know. I want to thank you for stopping in, especially if you watched the whole video and you made it this far. These are the bikes that I like, and I like restoring them and working on them. So basically that's what my content is. So if you're into that kind of stuff, check out the whole channel. There'll probably be a lot on there that you like. Got it all done. A little bit of buffing here and there. She is good to go. Just a little bonus. I'm always out looking for these kind of bikes. So if you know where one's at, let me know.